The SNAP application will ask you to provide the names, dates of birth, and social security number for all persons living in your home. In addition, you will need to verify the income and resources of each person in your household. Provide proof of any court order child support paid by a member of your household, as well as any payments for rent, mortgage, and utility costs. If there is a member who is disabled or age 60 and over and has out of pocket medical expenses that is not covered by Medicare, Medicaid, or other insurances that you are responsible to pay, you will need to provide verification to get a deduction for these expenses. If there is a member who is disabled or age 60 and over and has out of pocket medical expenses that is not covered by Medicare, Medicaid, or other insurance that you are responsible to pay, you will need to provide verification to get a deduction for these expenses. Any dependent child or adult care costs should also be provided. There may also be other verification requested dependent on your household's specific situation. Once you have submitted your SNAP application, there are a few important steps that come next, and we want to make sure you feel prepared for each of them. First, DFR will ask you to provide documentation that confirms the details in your application. Some of the most common documents requested include Social Security numbers for household members who are applying, proof of income such as recent pay stubs, and documentation of your housing costs. Having these documents ready ahead of time can help speed up the process. Second, you will be required to complete a phone interview. A caseworker from your local DFR office will typically contact you for a phone interview to verify some details. They may ask about your household size, bank account balances, utility bills, and other information related to your eligibility. You will be given or mailed a form listing the time of the interview and all needed information with a due date. The information should be received by DFR on or before that date. You will be mailed a notice regarding your eligibility after your case has been processed and your eligibility has been determined. The notice should list your appeal rights if you do not agree with the decision. If you disagree with any action taken by FSSA/DFR affecting your eligibility or benefits amount, you can file an appeal. Appealing a benefits decision is important because it gives an opportunity to challenge a denial or incorrect determination, potentially leading to the correct benefits the person is entitled to, and ensure a fair review of the case. You could use the link on the screen to see the process, key steps, and strategies for requesting an appeal and fair hearing.